So, as people that know me know, I'm not huge on instructions, but when you're about to cut a 14-inch hole in your roof of your brand new vehicle, instructions. What do we got here? Okay, I like these instructions. This is well done. People who made this adapter, Kim Van Sway, Hood River, Oregon. These are my kind of instructions. You can use the adapter as a guide to mark the hole. Stay clear of roof supports, obviously. Like they actually wrote that in the instructions. That's classic. Good stuff. Good stuff. Well done, Oregon. Down here on the in the last paragraph, coat the flange adapter and onto the roof about a ½ inch with brush-on bed liner or Flex Seal from the TV guy works well. That is too funny. Good stuff. Good stuff. Well, I guess when you're about to cut a big hole in your roof, you kind of want to keep a humor about it. Don't take life so seriously. Good stuff. I like it. Okay. Well, I think we're ready. And then this way. Yep. That fits. Clear everything. Yeah, I was worried about this little lip. Yeah. Yeah, it's there.
Alright, now we can blow it off. Well, we're gonna make some more shaving when we drill that down through there.
Well, I gotta put some sealer on the bottom of that gasket first. Then we put that down, and then I'll put butyl tape on the bottom of this white piece.
Yep.
And then we'll and once that sealer and that butyl tape are there, then we'll drill this in. Does that make sense?
Yep, I got it.
Good quarter to a ½ inch. And there's the fan installed. Really helps when you know somebody who's in the steel fabrication. We said something to them and they were like, oh, we'll do that. And they zipped right up there and cut that square out perfectly. That worked out really well. And there's what it looks like open from the top. I haven't put the ceiling on it yet, but we'll get that next. And there it is, locked down in full stealth mode. Pretty sweet.